Katakana so. On the screen you can see Katakana so on the left hand side and Hiragana so on the right hand side. Now most of you have probably learned to write Hiragana so with a Z on top and then a C underneath, and that fits with the mnemonic. I'm a ZC, so what are you looking at? But there's an alternative way to write Hiragana so, and we need to know that before we look at Katakana so. Now instead of writing Hiragana so with one single stroke, you're actually allowed to separate it into two. So the first horizontal stroke, instead of going across horizontally, you can actually write it down like that. And that leaves the rest of the Hiragana so just as you've learnt it. So down, across, and with that C shape underneath. Now with that version of Hiragana so, you can see where Katakana so came from. It's simply the top two strokes. So there's the top stroke, that's the equivalent of this one over here in our Hiragana, and our second stroke comes down, and that is the equivalent of this second stroke here on our Hiragana so. So our mnemonic is the top of Hiragana so. And there it is, first stroke and second stroke. Katakana so.